A very good morning, dear children. Welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are good and safe at home, children. Today we are going to begin with our next unit, that is Unit 5. So let's begin our class. Dear children, we have finished our Unit 4, Digital Presentation, and now we are moving on to next unit, that is Unit 5, Email Messaging. Children, in this unit we are going to learn about working with calendar. This is session 1, and then we are going to learn about schedule an appointment in a calendar, how to categorize an appointment, how to share a calendar, print a calendar, now creating a meeting request in a calendar, respond to a meeting request, create and edit a task, create and edit a note, create and edit a journal entry. So this is what we are going to learn in this chapter. So dear children, before I just tell you about the first session that we are going to start with, that is our working with calendar, I want to tell you that this calendar software we have actually in sync with the Microsoft Outlook, which is in your systems, and you can have your any account that you can just synchronize with your this Microsoft Outlook, and then you can schedule your meetings whatever you want with the help of your calendar. Children, you know that we have nowadays mobile phones, smartphones we have, so we can manage each and everything on our phones. Though this chapter, if we're talking about scheduling a with the help of a calendar and using Microsoft Outlook, this is obsolete nowadays. But since we have a chapter in our book, so we have to complete it. So this way you will come to know also about how to work with the calendar. So let's understand about actually first of all what is working with the calendar. Children, you must be knowing that time management is a process of scheduling and planning every event in a systematic manner with complete control over the amount of time spent on a particular activity. This increases our efficiency and productivity. Nowadays, if we're talking about, apart from the basic technique of using a pen, paper or printed calendar to manage our schedule, there is a wide range of software available which offer larger functionality in organizing our schedule efficiently. In this session, we will discuss the features of Microsoft Outlook Calendar, which is an electronic version of a calendar that helps the users in time management. It is a tool to schedule and manage any kind of event, be it scheduling an appointment, arranging a meeting, adding an email address to the address book, creating a group of contact list, or viewing group schedules. After learning a few features of this software, you will be definitely able to work with any type of calendar application, as most of them have similar features. So this is all about the what we have about the calendar. How can we work with the calendar, that we are going to discuss practically. That I am going to show you how we can get a calendar and how we can just work in that calendar practically. So today I am going to show you only about how to access the calendar in your systems. And children, it is again, if we're talking about the calendar, Microsoft Outlook, it depends upon the version you are using. So you should not get confused about if I am just telling you where do I have a calendar in my system. It should be in your system the same way. You can just know, but it will be maybe in a different way. In your programs you can find out the calendar. So if I show it to you here, I'm going to go to the start. I'm going to go to the calendar. Straight away I'm getting a calendar here. So if I just click here on a calendar, this you can see a calendar already here, and it is given here October 2020. Now there are certain views that we are going to discuss later. What are the main views on which we are going to work? And this is the navigation pane that helps you to switch between different applications of Outlook such as mail, calendar, contacts, tasks and notes. You may also find some folders under these options. So we are going to learn about these one by one later. So today you are going to find out in your systems where the calendar is. Thank you, Shenstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.